Today I'll be talking about the latest edition of Baguio Balm, and that is their Lavender Aroma. So this unique blend combines chamomile, peppermint, and camphor with the calming power of lavender. So it aids sleep, relaxation, reduces stress, relieves headache and back pain. It has a cooling sensation. It induces muscle relaxation and also treats mosquito bites. So if you're interested to buy this new Baguio Balm Lavender Aroma, you can purchase it for 250 pesos. And if you buy 3, you get to have free delivery all over the Philippines. And if you're interested to buy Baguio Balm Lavender Aroma, feel free to message Baguio Balm page in Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to get your support. Please do like, leave questions in the comment section, and also if you're interested to buy, purchase the Baguio Balm Lavender Aroma now. Thank you!